by Dr. Ramakrishna Garu, the maths provide us an effective way of building the mental discipline and values and encourages logical reasoning in that. It plays a crucial role in understanding the contents of other school subjects, as he rightly said. And our children, and I will take an example, what Dr. Ramakrishna was meaning, and it matches to that. Our children should be in a position to apply the understanding of the concepts in math, such as if we ask him, instead of asking him, how old are you? He will be just like that. He will be telling, even at the sleeping also, he will tell that I'm, say, 30 years old, 50 years old, whatever. I mean, that's just, from the memory it is coming, which Dr. Ramakrishna has said that it is the bottommost part of anybody can do. But being analytical is very important, and just change the question like this. If you ask the children, how many days old are you? If you ask the children, how many days old are you? The child will be definitely, he has to calculate, okay, I should know number of days per year is 365 multiplied by so many years, it will be so much. And he has to add the leap years also. Yes, I mean, just by changing the way the question is asked, that means the usage of language, as the doctor was telling, math and English can rule the world, honestly. And another way of asking is, it's everything is around us. Everything is around us. Logical thinking is around us. We don't have, we don't have to go for any textbook or anything of that kind. Just think and, apply this particular logic into that. Children will start, celebrating doing mathematics. And another one of doing is, if we ask the children, how many days are completed in 2020 today? We never observe this. 2020, today's date is, 20th November, and how many days are already over? Is the children are expected to add the number of days per month and add 20 days to that and say that, today is the 325th day. And how many more are there? Because it's, leap year, we have got another 41 days to go. And now I'm very sure after this particular session, we will all think in the way, the observation. That's very important. And usage of the language is very important. What I mean to say is we have to help our children to think logically for every concept of the mathematics, and they should know when to apply subtraction, when to apply multiplication, when to apply the division, and when to apply a particular concept which our teachers has taught us. And as we are educators, let us make our children learn every problem mindfully. Once the child can remember, then only he will be remembering for the lifetime. It's not just memorizing. He starts applying these particular thing to that. And definitely the suggestions given by Dr. Ramakrishna will definitely help us. And I have one more thing to end up is, when I asked, when somebody is asking today, we are maintaining the wearing of the mask, sanitization, everything is fine. And when we talk about 1 meter social distancing, these people are thinking about 1 feet, not 3 feet. So 1 meter is equal to 3 foot. I mean, 3 feet is very important. We have to be very careful in the units also. These are not when you start using these particular things in the daily life, when you start helping the children to use these in the daily life, this will definitely help us in thinking logically for the children. All right. And yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Ramakrishna Garu, and for your wonderful insight into that. And it was not to trouble you for 10 minutes time. I know that you can give wonderful thing and short and sweet, and this week will remember for our lifetime. If you give 1 hour lecture, maybe I have to do notes down. That's why 10 minutes is the right thing here. And thank you so much for preparation for that.
Thank you.
And dear Sahins, and next week.